Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a triple chocolate cheesecake pie. It has a homemade chocolate cookie crust, a creamy baked chocolate cheesecake filling, and topped with a chocolate glaze, and it's even served with a fresh strawberry sauce. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. To make the chocolate cookie crust, in a medium bowl, add in the sugar, flour, cocoa powder, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. Then add in the melted butter, and mix them until they're well combined. Pour the mixture into an ungreased 9-inch pie pan. Spread and press it all over the base and up the sides. And bake it in the oven for 8 minutes until it's set. Then remove it from the oven and set it aside to cool. To make the cheesecake filling, in a large bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer until they're smooth. Then add in the eggs one at a time. Make sure they're at room temperature, beating well after adding each one. Scrape down the sides to incorporate all the ingredients. Then add in the sour cream that's at room temperature. Mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the melted and cooled dark chocolate. And mix it in until it's combined. And finish it by hand to combine all the ingredients. Pour the filling into the pan on top of the cookie crust. Spread it out and tap it to get rid of air bubbles. And bake it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes until it's set but still slightly jiggly in the middle. It will set up more as it cools. Try not to overbake it. And cracks will happen. Don't worry, it's going to be covered in a chocolate glaze. When it's done, remove it from the oven. Transfer it to a cooling rack and let it cool completely. Once it's completely cooled, cover it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or overnight is best. To make the chocolate glaze, in a small heat-proof bowl, add in the dark or semi-sweet chocolate, sugar, butter, and milk. And place the bowl over a pot of simmering water and heat it until it's all melted and smooth, stirring it the whole time. Once it's all smooth, carefully take it off the heat. And this will be quite runny, so let it cool so it can thicken slightly. Remove the cheesecake from the fridge. Pour the glaze on top. Spread it out. And refrigerate it until the glaze is set. It will take about an hour, and it's not going to set very firm. It's still going to be quite runny. To make the strawberry sauce, wash the strawberries, pat them dry, cut off the green part, and cut them into slices. Then into a small saucepan, add in the sugar, cornstarch, and water. Whisk them really well so there's no lumps. Then add in the sliced strawberries and place the saucepan onto the stove over medium heat and heat it until the strawberries are soft and the mixture is thick and bubbly, stirring it so it heats evenly. Once the mixture is thick, take it off the heat and let it cool completely. You can pour it into a container and put it in the fridge if you like. Remove the cheesecake from the fridge, and you'll see the glaze is still quite runny. And when you're ready to serve, just cut a slice and serve it with the strawberry sauce. And that's how to make a triple chocolate cheesecake pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.